Did you know you can mail an invoice right from your computer without printing, stuffing, or even going to the post office? In this quick guide, we'll show you how to mail an invoice right from your computer, securely, efficiently, and with just a few clicks. Step 1. Create your invoice as a PDF. Make sure it includes the recipient's mailing address and your return address. This ensures your addresses will show correctly in the envelope window. Step 2. Go to a trusted online mailing platform like DocuSend.biz. Upload your PDF and select your mailing options. Step 3. Enter your payment information and click Pay Now. And that's it. Your invoice is printed, folded, inserted, sealed, and mailed through the U.S. Postal Service, all done remotely. So the next time you need to mail invoices, skip the printer and post office. Now you know exactly how to mail an invoice right from your computer, saving time, postage, and hassle. Try DocuSend today, the smarter way to mail invoices right from your desktop.